It was excellent. It was as near normal as we have been for a long while, so it was great to get out.
I haven't laughed as much for a long time. I'd say 2 years, and to be able to laugh out loud, it was just great.
Sean, we can hear you. Jesus, Sean, we can see you. How do you turn? Can somebody please turn Sean?
It was nice to look back and see the funny things, the bread, the frantic mute, and the children, and the cutlery nearly wrecked my head. But no, it was very, very good.
Dinner!
So well achieved. It was just great. With all the light and shade in it, but it was just such a good night out as well.
And I thought the last song was lovely, and the music.
On the bus around the dark, a sneeze is far worse than a